had some major rainstorms, and Brenda said something about a tornado touchdown somewhere down around there the following week. So didn't get to go to Mississippi, but talking about maybe later on this month or early May, head back down that way. So see how it goes. Brenda says that she likes a high bike week better than any of the other ones we've been to so far. So that's the end of May. So planning on going up there and hopefully take some pictures. Got some of the main street down there in Daytona, but camera getting hot, I think, and shutting down. As I said before, I ain't a professional. I just kind of like taking the videos and putting them on there. Hopefully, you guys get some enjoyment out of it. So, uh, that's the game plan. So down there, my other helmet was a little cracked where it connected. It's a modular helmet like this. And it really got cracked, and I couldn't shut it. And the sun visor wasn't coming down, so I picked up another helmet while I was down there. I really like it. So, to me, the sunscreen or shield is just a little lighter than the normal ones, and to me, it's a little bit better to see out of. The new camera, trying out the Sena 50C, supposed to have a better microphone, better earphone or air speakers. So try it out, see how it works today. Just out for a little ride. Getting about 200 videos a day down there in Florida, so trying to get them so I can get them up on. Like I said, hopefully you guys enjoy it. there. Like me, you don't get to go everywhere, so it's nice to kind of see what's out there. Then if you decide you want to go, then you have a little bit of an idea of what it's like. So sorry for the sniffles. It's hard to believe last weekend they said 6 inches of snow on the ground. Had quite a bit. And we had this nice warm spell for the last few days. So gotta watch for the salt and the cinders on the road. Sure, I want to put the bike down. Got my new plaid coat on. It's kind of comfortable. You got the protection in the elbows and the shoulder and stuff like that. So. But I don't want to try it out. Should have got something to drink at the gas station. Stop at this little store up here, I think. Stop here and get a drink.